Does the thought of a market reversal in 2024 give you chills or thrills? As we stand on the precipice of change, the landscape of investing seems to be shifting. The whispers of a 2024 market reversal are getting louder, and with it comes a mix of anticipation and apprehension. There are opportunities to be seized, but also risks to be navigated. Yet in the grand tapestry of investing, it's these pivotal moments that often yield the greatest rewards. As we embark on this journey, remember one thing: fortune favors the brave. The 2024 market reversal is not a storm to be weathered, but rather a wave to be ridden. Market reversals are typically seen as ominous, a signal of impending doom. However, the reality is that they're not inherently bad. They're simply a natural part of the economic cycle, a pendulum that swings back and forth between periods of growth and contraction. The key to navigating these shifts successfully is understanding that they are not just about losses, they're about change, and change always brings new opportunities. Let's rewind the clock back to the 2008 financial crisis. It was a time of great upheaval, and yes, many people lost a lot. But it was also a time when some of the most successful companies of our era, like Uber and Airbnb, were born. Why? Because market reversals shake things up. They force us to rethink old strategies and come up with new ones. They make room for new players and new ideas. They're the crucibles in which the next big things are forged. Consider the dot-com bubble of the late 90s. When it burst, it wiped out many companies, but it also cleared the way for the rise of giants like Google and Amazon. Or think about the housing market crash of the early 2000s. It was a tough time for many, but it also created unprecedented opportunities for those who were ready to buy when prices were low. The point is, market reversals are not just about weathering the storm, they're about learning to ride the wave. They're about seeing the potential where others see only risk. They're about being ready to seize the opportunities that come with change. So as we head into 2024 with all its uncertainties and potential upheavals, the question is not whether the market will reverse. The question is, how will you respond when it does? Will you hunker down and just try to survive, or will you see it as an opportunity, a call to adventure? The 2024 market reversal is coming. It's a wave that will sweep across the financial landscape, reshaping it in ways we can't yet fully predict. The question is, are you prepared to ride the wave? In the world of investments, knowledge is your most powerful ally. It's not just about blindly throwing your money into the market and hoping for the best. It's about understanding the intricacies of the market, the ebb and flow of trends, and making informed decisions based on that understanding. Informed investing is like navigating a labyrinth. The walls are made of market trends, financial news, and economic indicators. The twists and turns are the unpredictable changes that can happen at any time. And at the center of the labyrinth is your financial goal. But how do you navigate this complex labyrinth? The first step is research. Immerse yourself in financial news and market trends. Understand the factors that affect the market, the rise and fall of interest rates, inflation, political events, and more. Knowledge of these factors would help you anticipate market movements and make strategic investment decisions. Next is understanding risk and reward. Every investment comes with a certain level of risk. The potential for high returns often comes with high risk. Understanding this balance is key to making informed investment decisions. You need to know your risk tolerance and invest accordingly. But you don't have to navigate this labyrinth alone. Financial advisors can be your guiding light. They can provide you with expert advice, help you understand complex financial concepts, and guide you towards your financial goals. They can be your compass in the labyrinth of the investment world. Remember, the market is a dynamic entity. It is constantly changing and evolving. The 2024 market reversal is just one of the many twists and turns in the labyrinth. But with the right knowledge and guidance, you can navigate through it and reach your financial goals. Knowledge is not just power, it's your compass, your guiding light, your key to unlocking the potential of the market. It's what separates the successful investor from the rest. Armed with knowledge, you can turn the 2024 market reversal into your golden opportunity. It's not about surviving the market reversal, it's about thriving in it. And with knowledge as your ally, you can do just that. No journey is without its challenges, and investing in a market reversal is no different. In the world of investing, the road is often paved with bumps and detours. When eyeing a market reversal, these challenges can become even more pronounced. The first hurdle is timing. While all signs might point to a market shift, pinpointing the exact moment it will occur is a task even the most seasoned investors grapple with. Another challenge is the potential for false signals. Markets are unpredictable and can often give the illusion of a reversal, only to continue on their previous path. This can lead to premature investment decisions that could result in significant losses. The third challenge is managing emotions. Fear and greed are powerful motivators that can often cloud judgment. The fear of missing out can lead investors to jump in too quickly, while greed can keep them in a declining market for too long. It is crucial to keep emotions in check and make rational, informed decisions. The fourth challenge is the risk of overconcentration. It's a common temptation to go all in when you spot an opportunity, but this can leave your portfolio vulnerable. A sudden downturn in that sector or asset class can lead to substantial losses. Diversification is an effective strategy to mitigate this risk. By spreading investments across various asset classes, sectors, and geographical locations, you can buffer against the volatility of the market. Lastly, the challenge of managing loss. It is an inevitable part of investing. Accepting this fact and having a plan in place to limit losses can make the difference between a successful investor and a failed one. This might involve setting stop-loss orders or regularly rebalancing your portfolio. With every challenge comes opportunity. It's all about perspective. Remember, the market's ups and downs are not just obstacles, but chances to learn, adapt, and ultimately, to profit. It's about turning these challenges into stepping stones on your path to financial success. Triumph is not about avoiding failure, but learning from it. As we delve into the annals of financial history, we find numerous examples of successful investors who have not only weathered market reversals, but have found ways to profit and grow from them. Let's consider the story of the legendary investor, Warren Buffett. In the late 1990s, the market was booming with dot-com companies. While many investors were drawn to the allure of these tech startups, Buffett chose to stick with his strategy of investing in companies with strong fundamentals and undervalued stocks. When the dot-com bubble burst in the early 2000s, many investors suffered significant losses. However, Buffett's portfolio remained strong, proving that a disciplined, long-term investment strategy can pay off, even in the face of a market reversal. Another notable example is Ray Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater Associates, one of the world's largest hedge funds. Dalio's success is largely attributed to his unique approach to investing, which involves diversifying his portfolio across various asset classes to minimize risk. This strategy helped him navigate the 2008 financial crisis, a period when many investors saw their portfolios plummet. These stories remind us that market reversals, while potentially challenging, can also present opportunities for profit and growth. The key is to stay informed, make strategic decisions, and not be swayed by market hype or fear. For instance, a market reversal may present buying opportunities for investors. As prices fall, undervalued stocks may become even more attractive, offering the potential for significant returns when the market recovers. Similarly, a market reversal might be the ideal time to diversify your portfolio, spreading your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk. Remember, the path to triumph is not always smooth. It is often paved with challenges and setbacks, but it's through these experiences that we learn, grow, and ultimately succeed. As we prepare for the potential market reversal in 2024, let's not view it with fear, but see it as an opportunity for growth and profit. In the 2024 market reversal, your triumph awaits. Every journey has an end, but in investing, the end is just a new beginning. As we navigate through the tumultuous waves of the 2024 market reversal, it's crucial to remember that these market fluctuations aren't anomalies. Instead, they are integral parts of the financial ecosystem, providing ample opportunities for those who are prepared and patient. Yes, the market reversal might feel like a roller coaster ride with its highs and lows, but it's these very ups and downs that allow us to refine our investment strategies, to learn from our successes, and more importantly, our failures. It's a chance to understand that a down market isn't a signal to panic, but rather an invitation to look closer, to find those hidden gems that thrive in adversity and promise long-term returns. In the grand scheme of things, the 2024 market reversal is but a single chapter in the chronicles of your investment journey. It's a learning curve, a test of resolve, and a measure of adaptability. It's a chance to demonstrate resilience, to stay committed to your financial goals, and to emerge stronger, wiser, and more prepared for future market trends. So as we conclude this exploration of the 2024 market reversal, remember this. Every market shift, every investment decision, every triumph, and every setback They all contribute to your growing wisdom as an investor. The 2024 market reversal isn't just a moment in time, it's a stepping stone to your financial future. Now that you've journeyed with us through the 2024 market reversal, it's time to take action. You've seen the challenges and triumphs that lie ahead, and now it's your turn to navigate this dynamic landscape. Being an investor isn't just about profits, it's about learning, growing, and adapting to changes in the market. Begin by doing your own research, delve into the resources we've discussed, and continue to educate yourself about the market trends. Connect with mentors and join investor communities where you can share insights and learn from others' experiences. Remember, knowledge is power in this field, so never stop learning. Investing in the 2024 market reversal isn't just a financial decision, it's a commitment to a journey of discovery and growth. It's about embracing the challenges, celebrating the triumphs, and always striving for success. The 2024 market reversal is your call to adventure. Will you answer? Will you?